Now, the solution of non-homogeneous PDE by direct integration means in a differential equation dy by dx is equal to x square. If we apply the integration for this, integration of dy by dx is equal to integration of x square. The differentiation and integration get cancelled. The remaining is a y. Integration of x square become x cube divided by 3 plus c. This c we are writing in a constant. In other words, u is a function of x and y. This is a ordinary differential equation. U is a function of x and y. Here we are applying the partial derivative, that is dou u by dou x is equal to x square. If we apply the integration for this, integration of dou u by dou x with respect to x is equal to integration of x square with respect to x. Again the differentiation and integration get cancelled. U is equal to x cube divided by 3 plus the constant we are considering here as a f of y, because we are considering u is a function of x and y. U is a differentiating with respect to x means y we are considering as a constant. That's why in a partial derivative we are considering the integration of dou u by dou x into dx is equal to integration of x square dx. The integration of this x square become x cube by 3. Instead of the constant k or c, we have to write the another function as a constant. Now we have to take another example with respect to y. Now we have to take y is equal to y square or y cube. Now apply the integration for this with respect to y is equal to integration of y cube dy. Now this become u. Here in integration we are applying with respect to y means here which term we have to consider as a constant? X we are considering as a constant. That's why we have to write constant as a f of x. Now we have to take another example. Solve dou square u divided by dou x square is equal to x plus y. Here we have to find the value of u. First this term we have to write in terms of dou by dou x into dou u by dou x is equal to x plus y. Similarly we have to apply integration for both the terms. For x, if we apply the integration dou by dou x with dou u by dou x with respect to x plus is equal to integration of x plus y with respect to x. Now the differentiation and integration get cancelled. The remaining is dou u by dou x is equal to, we are applying with respect to x means x become x square by 2. Then y we are considering as a constant. That's why an integration of 1 become 1 we have to write here. Now dou u by dou x is equal to x square by 2 plus x y plus we are applying the constant here as a y term f of y. Now the continuation of this means we have to find the value of u. That's why again you have to apply the integration. Again integrating dou u by dou x is equal to integration of x square by 2 plus integration of xy plus integration of f of y. Now again integration and differentiation get cancelled. U, whatever we want the value, we got u here. Again you have to integrate the x square term. This become x cube by 3 plus y is a constant. Again integration of x become x square by 2 plus integration integration of f of y we are considering as a constant here. Yes, that we have to take outside. Again integration of 1 become x plus another constant. Here we are applying again integration. That's why we have to take a g of y. This is our solution of direct integration. Similarly, we have to take another example. That is, solve d cube z divided by dx square dy is equal to cos 2x plus 3y. This we have to write in terms of dou z by dou x, dou by dou x and dou z by dou y. Means 3 terms are there, that we have to write like this, cos 2x plus 3y. Now apply the integration. Integration of dou by dou x, dou by dou x, dou z by dou y is equal to integration of cos 2x plus 3y. Now, one integration and one differentiating term get cancelled. This become dou by dou x. We are applying that integration with respect to x here. That's why we have to apply the right side also integration with respect to x. Cos integration is sin 2x plus 3y. 2x integration, 2x plus 3y integration become divided by 2. The constant is f of y. Now again integrating, integration of dou by dou x into dou z by dou y is equal to 1 by 2. We are taking the constant outside and apply the integration for 2x plus 3y plus integration of f of y. F of y is a constant here. Again differentiation and integration get cancelled. We are applying the different integration with respect to x here. The remaining term is dou z by dou y 1 by 2. Sin integration is minus cos 2x plus 3y divided by 2. F of y is a constant and integration of 1 become a x. Another constant we have to write it as a g of y. What we want, the solve of the direct integration means you have to find the z value. That's why once again you have to apply the integration. To find the z, dou z by dou y is equal to 1 by 4 minus integration of cos 2x plus 3y plus integration of x is a constant here because we are applying the integration with respect to y, f of y plus integration of g of y. Now this term become differentiation and integration get cancelled. Z is equal to minus 1 by 4. Integration of cos become sin 2x plus 3y divided by 2 plus x. Integration of f of y we can consider as a capital F of y plus integration of g of y we are considering as a capital G of y. Therefore, integration of small f of y we are considering as a f of y you have to write here, and a small g of y is a capital G of y, you have to indicate that terms. This is a second example. Another example, dou square z divided by dou x dou y is equal to sin x sin y, for which dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 sin y when x equal to 0 and y is equal to and z is equal to 0. If y is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. First we have to simplify the z term. After that we have to substitute the initial value. this we have to write dou by dou x into dou z by dou y is equal to sin x sin y. Apply the integration to find the y. Integration of dou by dou x into dou z by dou y is equal to integration of sin x into sin y. Now here integration with respect to x we are doing. Integration of with respect to x means dou z by dou y is equal to sin y is a constant. Integration of sin become minus cos x. The y is a constant means we have to write here f of y. Now again this we call it as a equation number 1 because they given dou z by dou y also. Okay. Now again we have to apply the integration. Integration of dou z by dou y with respect to y is equal to minus cos x is a constant. Integration of sin y plus integration of f of y. Here we get the z term minus cos x keep as it is. Integration of sin become minus cos y. And integration of f of y, small f of y become capital F of y plus with respect to y we are doing means the constant become g of x. This equation we can consider as a equation 2. After getting the equation 1 and 2, we have to substitute the initial values. First, from the equation 1, they given dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 sin y and x equal to 0. That value we have to substitute in the equation number 1. Dou z by dou y they given as a minus 2 sin y is equal to x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means cos 0 is 1. That's why the remaining is minus sin y plus f of y. Here f of y is a constant. That constant value we have to find here. Therefore, f of y is equal to this minus sin y we can take here and it become minus 2 sin y plus sin y is equal to minus 1 sin y. This is a value of the first constant, that is f of y. After getting the term of first constant, we have to find another constant, that is g of y. Second, from the equation 2, from the equation 2, z is equal to 0, y is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. This we have to substitute in the equation number 2. Z is equal to 0, we have to substitute. 0 is equal to, y we have to substitute for the constant. That is, y we have to substitute for the odd number of pi by 2. Minus minus become plus cos x cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Now tell me what is a cos pi by 2 value? Cos pi by 2 value is a 0, but cos 2n plus 1, the odd number. See here, cos pi by 2, 1 pi by 2 is 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Cos 5 pi by 2 is 0 because odd number of cos term is 0 and even number cos 2 pi by 2. 2 get cancelled, cos pi value is a minus 1. Means cos odd number of pi by 2 values become a 0. That's why here we have to take f of y plus g of x. Means this whole term we have to get it as a 0. That's why the f of y plus g of y, g of x is equal to 0. Now f of y we got, that we have to integrate because here this is a capital F of y is there. Let integration of small f of y is equal to integration of minus sin y. Integration of small integration of sin become a cos y. That we have to substitute, minus minus become plus. This is our capital F of y value. This value we have to substitute here and it become 0 is equal to sin become a minus cos, minus minus become plus y plus g of x. Therefore, g of x is equal to become cos y. Again you have to substitute the cos y as a 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Again this value become a 0. Means g of x value is 0 and cos x plus cos x into cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2 value become a 0. Means here the term equation 2 become, we have to write the last answer is z is equal to minus minus plus cos x cos y plus integration of f of y become plus cos y. F of y, capital F of y become cos y and g of x the term become 0 is equal to cos y into cos x plus 1. This is the final result.